What up, YouTube? I'm gonna give you a rundown of what I got in my sponsor box from Left Coast Liquids today. So let's just jump right the fuck into it. Let's see, they sent me the Milk of Poppy, which is a complex blend of flavors. Sweet custard vape with fruity nuisances. Nice. Let's see. Gentleman's juice. This one sounds pretty good. It's a candied watermelon with Concord grapes and a touch of menthol. Can't wait to try that one out. I mean, I got the white peach yogurt in right now, and dude, it's good. It's a creamy vanilla peach. The cream hits you right away. That peach aftertaste is fucking delicious. I'm liking that one a lot. White peach yogurt. And then there's another one in the box here. We got Santa Cruz. That one is a mix of strawberries and tart lemonade. I was very tempted to try this one, but it's like 10 o'clock in the morning and I just got done drinking coffee, and I don't think that's gonna go well with my coffee, so I'm gonna save that one for later on in the day. Oh, and they threw in some Blue Dot. It's Norse fish. It's supposed to be a Swedish fish flavor. I am literally stoked on getting this because I had a Swedish fish flavor from Vape the Originals, and it was like my favorite for the longest time. And now I am hoping that that's gonna become my favorite. Blue Dot and Left Coast is gonna represent and keep that juice flowing. I also got CTC Cereal, which I think might be like a Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's probably what the CTC stands for. That one didn't come with a flavor profile. And then Moo Fields, which, I don't know, sounds like maybe strawberry cream probably. That one also did not come with the flavor profile sheet. But if you guys have any questions on any of those flavors, got any questions on Left Coast, click the links below, follow my Instagram, comment, let me hear what you got to say. Peace.